In today's fast-paced world, where connectivity is everything, having the right tools can make all the difference. Meet the game changer designed to empower network technicians with precision, efficiency, and innovation. Introducing the PX90, all-in-one PON service installation meter. Your complete test toolkit for navigating the complexities of today's network infrastructure. With a lightning-fast boot-up time, the PX90 ensures you're ready to test instantly. It offers powerful internet speed testing, precise selective optical power measurement for GPON and xgs-pon access networks, comprehensive Wi-Fi network testing capabilities, and near-field communication support to enable seamless, contactless test results transfer via no app. Internet speed testing with the PX90 is made effortless with built-in applications like Ookla Speed Test and iPerf, allowing you to verify upstream and downstream speeds and ensure service speeds meet customer quality of experience expectations. The PX90 excels in measuring accurate downstream optical signal levels with pass-fail thresholds for coexistent GPON and xgs-pon, streamlining your troubleshooting and maintenance tasks with accuracy and efficiency. For those who need it, the PX90 offers optional Wi-Fi analysis, including support for Wi-Fi 6 and 6E, enabling comprehensive network discovery, AP scan, and in-depth performance assessment and speed testing across multiple bands, including 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz, all from a single device. Cloud integration with no app enables quick and contactless transfer of test results via NFC with no app installation or updates required. From installation to maintenance and troubleshooting, the PX90 is an essential asset for every network technician. Combining precision, efficiency, and innovation, the PX90 is truly the future of access network testing. Upgrade your testing experience today.